In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use an API token for Atlassian Confluence. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Atlassian account. We'll start by opening your account settings. You can get there from your profile, avatar, and choosing the account or profile settings option. This is the central place where you manage your personal details, security preferences, and access credentials. So it's the right spot for creating tokens that work across Atlassian cloud products. Once your account settings are open, head to the security section. This area controls how you sign in and what additional safeguards you have in place. It also includes the section we need for API tokens, which are special strings that let scripts and tools authenticate to Atlassian services on your behalf without using your regular password. In the security page, look for the API tokens section. This is where you can view existing tokens you've created and generate new ones. Tokens are personal to your account, so treat them like passwords. They can be created, used, and revoked by you at any time. Click Create API Token. Atlassian will prompt you to add a label or name. Pick something descriptive that reminds you where or how the token will be used, such as Confluence integration for reporting. Clear labels help you quickly identify tokens later and keep things organized if you create more than one. After you create the token, Atlassian will display it once. This is important. Copy the token immediately and store it in a safe place. A secure password manager is ideal. Avoid saving it in plain text, email, or shared documents. If you lose it, you can't view it again. You would need to create a new one. With the token saved, you're ready to use it with your email address for Confluence API access. When an app or script asks for credentials to the Confluence Cloud REST API, use your Atlassian account email as the username and the API token as the password. Many tools refer to this as basic authentication, and they accept an API token in place of a standard password. Always keep the token confidential, and if you suspect it's been exposed, return to the security page and replace it by creating a new one. That's it. You opened your Atlassian account settings, went to security, found API tokens, created a new token with a clear label, copied and stored it safely, and learned how to use it alongside your email for Confluence API access.